Welcome Investorholics to another ETF Spotlight review. The date is the 31st of the 3rd, 2023. Today we're taking a look at E200, which is the SPDR S&P ASX 200 ESG focused fund, brought to you by your fantastic friends at State Street. So if you're looking for an investment that is ESG focused or ESG friendly, this might be one worth looking at. Please keep in mind that this is not financial advice. All I'm doing here is helping everybody out starting off their research. What I do is more of a library, so it's more of a one-stop shop. You guys can put the codes into my YouTube channel and pick out the codes of the ETFs and watch the videos, and it's kind of like a forerunner to you going and doing your own research. But yeah, stick around. I think this will be valuable to everybody. Thank you. Hey there, Investorholics, it's Scott. KrackTheSky Value Investing will be giving you up-to-date investing news and content. You can navigate the markets wherever you are. My mission is to give you the knowledge and confidence to take control of your financial life, expand your investment horizon, and crack your financial sky. Don't be afraid to give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Okay, so the SPDR S&P ASX 200 ESG Fund seeks to closely match before all the fees, expenses, returns of the S&P ASX 200 ESG Index. So your returns will be a little bit below what the index typically produces because of all the fees and expenses. So the index is a broad-based market cap weighted index that is designed to measure the performance of securities meeting suitability criteria while maintaining similar overall industry group weights as in the S&P ASX 200 index. So just broad index, just with ESG characteristics. So as always, we would need to have a reason to buy it. So the Y factor here below, so responsible investing. So if you're looking for a sustainable alternative to the Australian benchmark, so the other ASX 200 or ASX 300 ETFs, then with the ESG bent, then this is definitely something worth taking a closer look at. Supposedly best in class ESG investment approach, but I mean that's subjective. You want to go and have a look at the index and work out how it operates. A lot of these things, this ESG investing is quite new, so best in class might not be up to what you think what the standard should be. So go and have a look at it, but it might be the best you can find type thing. You can, when you're building your core satellites of approach to a portfolio, giving sort of using this ETF can actually improve your ESG characteristics while achieving your risk and return portfolio sort of requirements, I suppose the word is. So best of both worlds. So you don't want to be exposed to weapons or military contracting or tobacco or oil or coal or whatever. This might be something to have a closer look at. Okay, at the time of the research, we're looking at a net asset value of $22.99, trading at $22.91. So just above that. We had a market cap of $38,600,000. Management costs not too bad, I suppose, 0.13. You get a distribution in January, April, July, October, so 4 times a year, so quarterly. and dividends about 4.5%. So the E200 holds a diversified portfolio of Australian companies with strong ESG characteristics, while also removing companies interacting in tobacco and controversial weapons, and companies that generate 5% or more of their revenue from coal, or thermal coal I should say. So there's a differentiating factor there between thermal coal and metallurgical coal. As I mentioned before, this is sort of just a forerunner for you guys to be doing your own research. So also have a look at FAIR and IESG. Just a quick note on ethical investing, and that refers to the practice of using one ethical principle as a primary filter for selecting securities for investing in. Ethical investing depends on the investor's point of view, as I kind of sort of said before. Ethical investing is something used interchangeably with socially conscious investing, I suppose. However, socially conscious investing funds typically have one overarching set of guidelines that are used to select portfolio, whereas ethical investing brings about a more personalized approach. So, there's definitely a few more characteristics to take into account when you're looking at ethical investing. So I don't think there's really any surprises here. Looking at the top 10, Australia is pretty condensed, and the market's dominated by sort of 50 very large companies, and they make up the majority of the index. I mean, you could even say the top 20 make up the majority of the index, really. So you got BHP, Commonwealth, CSL, National Bank, ANZ Bank, Macquarie Bank, Woodside, Wesfarmers, Telstra, Woolworths. How strict do you want to go on the ESG component here? Is Woodside and Wesfarmers, do they really fit into ESG? I mean, certain parts of their business probably do. I mean, Woodside's mainly gas, so I suppose that's kind of where it creeps in. Performance-wise, for 1 month you're looking at a loss of 2.34%. 3 months you're looking at a little bit of a win here at 0.63% when I did the research anyway. Year to date you're up 3.74%, and over the year you're up 8.5%, and since inception you're looking at a gain of 13.37% on the 28th when I did it. So your fund inception was the 31st of July 2020, so this is very, very new. So just the runway on this one's not very long. So 2.5 years. It's not, I suppose, 2 to 2.5 years or runway. So it's a bit hard to tell how this is going to go. But I think if you look at the performance of just the bog standard ASX 200 ETFs, I mean, you can kind of see if it's matching up with those or potentially bettering those indexes. Anyway, I mean, you definitely want to be in it. This one you would like to be in it as long as it's outperforming the other indexes. Otherwise, why would you bother? Anyway, that's my quick overview of the ASX E200 ETF. Anyway, hopefully that was informative, guys. And as always, do your research. This is always just the first step. Thank you. Hey there, are you interested in learning more about personal finance and investing in the markets? If you are, smash the like and subscribe buttons down the bottom of the screen there. Crack the Sky Value Investing will be giving you up-to-date investing news and content so you can navigate the markets wherever you are. Expand your financial horizon. and crack your financial sky. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like and subscribe. Greatly appreciated. Thank you.